Excuse me.
I think all are our is equipment or we basic or more stuff. Some basic. All are know about the ID characteristics. It's the basic ID characteristics is a basic thing for any semiconductor device. If you want to study the semiconductor characteristics, we need to test the ID. Okay. In IV, we have a lot of platforms, features, the CD and the pulse, like the various features are available. First, the basic thing will be the ID. Okay. In wherever you are going to use a semiconductor devices, silicon based wafer level or it will be on the component level or it will be on the research level, you are doing with the glass or it will be on substrate, like the various component level will be there. But the equipment will be the same. It give only the IV characteristic. Based on the power level, it will be made vary. Okay. How many channels is required based on the components. For example, for a basic thing, if we take the resistor, in resistor also we can able to see the IV. In resistor we have two terminals. Okay. Normally in the two terminals means it will be one side we can give the input, other side we are measuring the output. This instrument is a B1500. Okay, it's a configured up to 10 channel is possible. In current industry, they are using maximum will be the 4 terminal. In IGBT, they are using 4 terminals. Okay, that time more 4 SMU is sufficient for doing the measurement. Okay, if you are, for example, if your resistor means it will be the input and output, you need a 2 SMU for measuring the characteristics. Okay. You have an idea about the characteristics of ID. Okay, we can speak the voltage and parallelly you want to measure the current. That will be the very basic. We can speak the input side, we can speak the voltage in terms of millivolt step we can give and microvolt, like that we can able to. Whatever here this equipment is mainly for precision, is for mainly for the low current. Okay, it's not going to use to test the high current method. It's only for the low current measurement. Okay, it's give only less than the milliamps, less than milliamps only. So maximum current it will be 100 milliamps. Okay, like that we have variable modules will be there. Medium power SMU, low power SMU, high power, like the various modules. Whatever here will be available is in medium power. Maximum voltage you can sweep up to 100 volt and the maximum current is up to 100 milliamps. Okay. And we have one more module is a pulse module. But whatever the current setup, you can't able to use a pulse module. If you are going to use a pulse module, you need a probe stations. This automatic probe station is centered. That time only you can replace the pulse module. Why we need pulse module in India?
On and off.
Yes. Why we need to on and off?
Changing the frequency we want to see, changing the frequency range when we want to
That also is okay. And one more thing, if you are giving constant current to your sample, the sample will get in heat. Okay. It will response will be totally different. Okay. For that only, because every time if you give a pulse input means it will not give the constant. It will be very short time only will be on condition. That time we are measuring on turn on time or turn off time, like that means we can rising edge is more sufficient for doing the measurement. If it will be the continuous on means it will be sample will be getting heat, the response will be changed, and every time if you turn on and off also we want to give some trigger delay. Okay, why we means if I turn on the device there will be a small rising will happen. It's a transient. At the time if you are measuring the peak current will be different. If that some maybe in microseconds you can give delay, after that you want to measure means that will be the actual measurement. And if you want to achieve the basic accurate measurement means we want to follow some basic steps will be there. Okay. That you have our basic steps means proper grounding we need, proper shielding, will be the closed environment or clean room, like the various steps you want to follow. That time only we can achieve the in terms of less than nanoamps. Your sample will be in the less than nanoamps, you want to measure the less than nanoamps. In open condition you can't able to achieve less than nanoamps. Okay. If you want to achieve the less than nanoamps and your sample is having 20 amps resolution means you need some, you want to follow some procedure. First one will be the proper grounding with the instrument and the probe station. Second one will be the cable resistance, how you are avoiding the cable resistance. Okay, you can use the 4-wire measurements. If a normal 2-wire measurement, maybe this cable length will be approximately 2 meters, 3 meters. Okay. I think it's also included as a DVD. Okay, it also included as a DVD means the cable resistance also included in your measurement. Okay, you want to avoid it, you want to connect it 4-wire.
Just relax.
And the next one will be you want to use the proper cable. Cable means normal devices, you have open-ended cable is not that much. The time is going to be triads. Okay, what is it? Normally you are using BNC or maybe banana like that. What is the difference between triads and the cable? If you are using BNC cable or the normal banana cable, the insulation of that medium will be approximately 1 gigaohm. If you are using the triax cable, the insulation of the triax, we have three shielders also will be there. Center point will be there, actual source, and there will be the sense will be there, and the shielder will be there. Using this sense and shielder, we have a high insular in the upper high insulation, it reduces the noise. In normal BNC, it will be 1 gigaohm, but 10 times we can improve the and it will be the gold coated, but also it reduces the normal cable, copper or it will be nickel or the tungsten or compared to that, the gold coated will be more reliable and actually capability can get because the resistance will be better. Using triads only you can actually use the experiment. If you are doing other than triads or open ended, we can't less than an hour you can't able to that will be useful. But set of connections is only for measuring how the performance will be there. Like that you want to check. You want to do the accurate measurement, you need some code setup with a shielded box. The shield also because of lots of interference in cables. If you are using any semiconductor component, the interference will be observed. Okay, we want to make it isolate the DUT and the advanced cable. Maybe if you have a clean room setup, you can use a clean room. Otherwise, you need some shielded box. Okay, if you put it inside the shielded box, you will connect the DUT. That time we can avoid the losses. This is the basic setting. Here we have a setup up to 100 volt. So the maximum force we have 100 volt. Like that we have 3 channels if possible. Okay, simultaneously you can use up to 3 channels. This equipment in future if you want more channels, it's upgradable also is possible. And this probe, this is the basic probe for component testing. This probe having the capacity up to 6 channels. Very simple connection again. Okay. Here is the channel 1, channel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that will be there. Very simple connection. From channel 1 to 1, 2, 3 and 3 like that only I will connected. This is one more thing, this is for safety interlock. Why means it will be applying DC voltage. In human up to 42 volt only they are allowing. As per the international standard they are allowing up to 42 volt. If it will open, it's not a problem. If it is more than 42 volt, it will be not safety for human. Okay, that's why they have a giving interlock. If you connect interlock, that time only the instrument and device will be inject more than 40 volt. Okay, if the interlock will be not there, automatically the instrument give the alarm. It's reached more than 42 volt. It's not safety like the alarm will be. Okay, and this is for interlock and channel 1, channel 2 and channel 3. Now I connected 3 channels. Okay. Whatever here purchased also 3 channels, maximum channels I will be connected. Okay. This one is for you can use any semiconductor like that leaded component. Any leaded component you can use the test fixture. Here we have 1 to 14 and another side we have 15 to 28. Total we have 28 pins input will be there. In case if you have an IC or any leaded component, directly you can insert and you can do the probing, you can do the measurement. But this one is limited to, it will be voltage level of 230 volt. Maybe we have a high power module also that is also compatible with this. Up to 200 volt you can directly give and you can do the testing also is possible. Because this is a semiconductor device, mostly it will be high voltage. If it will be the wafer level like that of things, if you are following, that time it will be the less than 5 volt only you are using. But if this is for component, that's why they are giving the high voltage. For example,
This one is used for measuring low voltage.
voltage you can measure, no problem. But low current you can't achieve, less than 9 amps you can't achieve. It's open-ended, it absorbs lots of noises also. If you measure means in your measurement you are getting noise, so it will be easier. You are not able to get a straight line. It will be less than 9 amps you get an issue. Otherwise it will be AC interference, AC power line interference also will be involved in the line.
Wafers can you test? Wafer?
Not possible. You need a probe station system. I think here they have some other lab, they have some probe station. That's why they are not planned here. With probe station only you can do the wafer. Here only for a leaded component. Maybe if we have a glass plate with a leaded means you can connect again. And now we connected channel 1, channel 2, channel 3 like that. From channel 1 now we connected 1 and 2 will be connected to 2 and 3 will be connected to 3 because I connected is a okay serial manner. Channel 1 to 1, 2 and 3 will be 3. Here I connected in 1 and 2. Now with this two leader, that's why. Maybe if I connected MOSFET means it will be 3 terminal, 1, 2, 3 will be.
If I'm measuring two terminal measurements, for example, IV,
Okay.
for anything here.
Okay.
If I connect only channel 1, channel 2 is enough.
That is sufficient. Channel 1 and 2 is sufficient. 3 is not required.
Come here.
Yes, yes. In terms of millions measurement, that will be the millions microns directly you can connect and okay. Like that only. In case if it will be the and resistance is a non-polarity device, you can anyway if you connect. If you, for example, a capacitor or a B diode like that means it will, the polarity will be there. In which polarity and that you want to know, that time you want to configure from the software. Okay. Made for now we connected as such, one is a positive and 2 will be the negative like that. Means the same thing I want to follow from the which one is the source and which will be the output like that. Anode and cathode I want to follow. Okay.
We will not identify which one is source, which one is drain, which one is gate. Here we cannot identify.
If you like that, if you reverse connection will happen, you are not able to achieve the measurement.
Usually
Because the gate
other instruments, they will mention this is the source, this is the drain, this is the gate. If you are changing the polarity,
like that any leaded component directly you can insert and be easy. If improve connection side, if you have any doubt, connection side.
In film itself, glass itself, if we have a kind of 4-terminal connections.
If you have a glass substrate or isolated one, you can place any samples here. Okay, and directly connect. There will be the 2 leads directly you can connect to the. If you have a zinc coated or a copper lead or any zinc or titanium,
If I want to connect one electrode here and one
if you want to take small lead is sufficient.
directly can I connect?
Directly means it will be the human interference that we want to avoid. Human interference will be the big issue for a measurement. It will be small shaking or if you touch means that will be reflected in the measurement. That the current will be different. Current flow will be changed.
I think then
The loose connection also the current flow will be changed. The
from
time
this we can take a lead.
yes, from directly you can connect a lead also. If you have a lead means directly you can connect the grab.
Okay.
This is the isolator. Okay, no need to use that one. If it will be the if you have it like that means you can directly keep here and just connect it to. We have another port. Positive and negative will be there. You can connect. the plus switch.
Some small pin kind of thing.
If you have a plus and minus, you can directly
If you pull it,
use directly. The same lead also you can use no problem. For this component level means it will be not a big thing.
Yeah.
Like that we can.
In this one, how will you select the positive negative? This electrode? You are telling that
Depends upon
electrode?
the device configuration.
Device
Mine
configuration.
will be like NIP device structure. So mine will be top contact will be negative terminal, bottom contact will be positive.
That means gate. Whatever.
It will be what type of
Gate.
sample?
Anode cathode.
Solar cell.
Okay.
Solar
okay,
cells.
cell.
Maybe two leaded.
2 liter.
So anode cathode.
Anode
Positive,
cathode.
negative.
So
If it doesn't MOSFET, no, sir, like
source.
MOSFET means
Source-
will be the three.
three
Source,
source and
drain.
drain.
source drain gate will be.
So now, for example, now if I take some kind of a small copper wire or aluminum wire
That
like
we
this,
can.
so from there I will place on top
Yes.
of this one.
Yes.
I can place it.
Directly.
How will you extract the parameters from IV?
We can.
Pin printed. Junction.
Excuse me.
Sir, in case clip வச்சு கனெக்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு
Using clip. Okay.
Let's go.
Both is possible.
Just normal dark just for confirmation. Some other measurements like C, those things.
I have seen your company. I will. A recording, right?
For other measurements like C, D,
User convenient. If it will be the fully automatic proportion, if you want to in the front hands, it will be 1.5 crores like that. That time they will go with the semi-automatic or manual. If you go with semi-automatic manual means manpower you want to utilize and you want to do the forward condition or reverse condition like that. Manually you want to do that. If you put it in out of probe, it will be, you can create your sequence. Maybe if you have a data sheet of any samples, you can follow different steps. Once configured means the probe station it will give the data sheet. Result it will come. Continuously, the step by step, it will do the test. First IV or CV or DA and it will yes. That each and every function is configured. Full automatic procedure gives the result. If it will be the manual or a semi-automatic, manually you want to do that and give the test.
One to five, like continuous.